Hey, what's up? Welcome to the video and welcome to Zillow. So the first thing that we have to do before we start looking for a property is to establish an address, a neighborhood, city, or zip code. So where are you looking for properties? For this exercise, I'm going to be looking in a town called Mobile, Alabama. Now, I'm from New Jersey, and I'm just using Mobile, Alabama as an example to show you how different prices can be across the country, or prices are across the country. Now, homes and properties closer to cities are going to be more expensive to homes, let's say, in middle America or in rural or suburban areas. All right, so let's just go ahead right now, and I'm going to show you how to navigate Zillow and how to use the filters. And this is going to be very helpful, right? So the filters are going to be important because you were given an annual income, and your home search will revolve all around what you can actually afford, right? So your budget should help you with that. And for this activity, we're going to search for homes in Mobile, Alabama between $150,000 and $300,000. Now, how did I arrive at the $150,000 to $300,000, right? So let's just assume that I was given one of those occupations and I make $100,000 a year. I'm going to use a little equation and multiply my annual income by 3, which is another general rule that can give you an idea of what you can generally afford, right? So whatever your annual income is, multiply that by 3, and that will be your maximum amount, your maximum price home amount. Now, I am going to be looking for 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. You know what? I'm going to go any bathroom. I don't want to limit that, but I definitely want at least 3 bedrooms in the home I'm looking at in Alabama. Home type, any of these is okay. House, townhome, multifamily, condo, totally fine. Totally cool with that. And if you look at the map on the left side, look at all these red dots over here. Oh, I just lost. Okay. All right, you have all these red dots. You see these prices that pop up. You can hover your mouse over any of these red dots, and you can click on them, and you can see the prices of those homes. But these are all of the homes that are for sale on Zillow in Mobile, Alabama. Cool? All right. And again, we're looking at buying a home. If you had clicked or checked off rent up on the top, then it would have all the homes that were for rent. All right, but we're not looking to rent a home. We're looking to buy a home. Okay, so here we go. My prices are between $150,000 to $300,000. And already I see a couple of homes that I really, really like. Price ranges are really good. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. All right, so I'm looking at the pictures real quick. Which ones do I want to look at? Which ones? Oh, this one looks super nice. My goodness. $284,000 for a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home. Let's look at this one. Wow, this one's super nice. Okay. So the first thing that you're going to do, students, is you're going to look at the pictures. It looks great, right? So you have different steps that you're going to want to go through. And the first one is, does it look nice? So double click or just click on the picture, and then it takes you to the arrows so you can navigate through these pictures. Now, this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home. And I think I want to move out of New Jersey and buy this house, because this is gorgeous. This is incredible. Wow, the kitchen looks really nice. It doesn't need any work. This is move-in condition. So, yeah. All right, I'm not going to go. Whoa, did you see that? Did you see the pool table? Look at this. Maybe if I bought the house, they'd keep the pool table there. They'd leave it for me. Okay, so I just want to keep looking. It has an in-ground pool. This is really nice. Okay. All right. I'm not going to take up too much of your time. Let's click out of these. I like it. I really, really like this house for $284,000. So, okay. We looked at the pictures. Looks good. The price. It's in our price range, $284,000. It's under the $300,000 mark, right? So we're good on that. And the estimated monthly payment on this home looks like it's $1,600. Now, again, what is your safe monthly payment for a home, for your home payment, right? Whether you're renting or buying a home, what is your safe monthly payment? And we figured that out, right? It was 1/4 of your monthly income. This is super nice, you guys. Okay, square footage on this one is 2,300 square feet. Now, I don't know if you understand how big 2,300 square feet is, but that's pretty large. If you're not sure, if you want to compare it to something, maybe call your parents, or call someone or text someone who owns a home and ask them how big their home is. Like, in your house, you've obviously, you've been in your house, you know how big your house is. So if your house is 1,500 square feet, you would be able to gauge how big 2,300 is, 2,300 square feet. So I like this house. Okay, let's keep going down. Now, everything looks good up here. Pictures look good. The beds, the baths, excellent, excellent. What's special? So here is the description. What's special about this home? Pending court approval, great 2-story home in Vista Ridge. Okay, I don't know why it says pending court approval, but if I lived in that area, I would definitely call a realtor to go look at this house. All right, 11,000 views. So a lot of people are viewing this house because it's a very attractive home. Okay, cool. Let's keep going down because I want to get to the nitty gritty, the important stuff down here. The Zestimate. The house is Zestimated, right? Zillow's market value estimate of this house is about $277. You could rent it for $2,400 a month. If you were to buy this and rent it as an investment property, you could make some money on this, right? But let's see, let's see what the mortgage payment is, right? You can see what the house sold for. The price history. In 2018, it sold for $213,000. The taxes on this house are only $1,300 a year. That's outstanding. And down here, estimated monthly payment, $1,600 a month. So what do you think? Could you afford a house like this based on your budget, right? Your monthly payment allowance, $1,600. How much money down though? Okay, this payment is low because it does have a down payment estimate in here. So if you have $56,000 to put towards this price, it would bring your monthly payment down to $1,600. All right. So if you're really serious, if you love properties, if you really want to get into investing, now is the perfect time to start saving for a house. What's awesome about investing in property is that money that you put as a down payment, you're not losing that money. That money is essentially it's going into a house instead of going into a bank account. So it's going into something called the equity in the home. So that money now is in real estate, in your property. So it's awesome. So save your money. And again, if you want to invest, now is the time to start saving your money, to put money towards a down payment. Okay, so we're not going to spend too much more time on this. Mortgage, insurance, property taxes. You look at the interest rate here. The bank is giving you 6% on this one, or this is the estimated interest rate. When you actually go and apply for a loan, your interest rate may be different depending on your credit score. Now, you're probably not old enough to have a credit score yet, but when you are old enough to apply for credit cards or a car loan or a car lease or anything like that, make sure you pay your bills on time, and that will increase that credit score. Banks, the interest rates are given to you based on how well you pay your bills back. So if you don't pay your bills back well, your interest rate might be 8 or 9%, which would take your mortgage payment higher. Okay? I almost forgot to do this with you guys. Let's compare this type of house to a house in New Jersey, a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home. Okay, you ready? So before we go, let's go back to Zillow. We're going to look in a town called Montclair, New Jersey. And we're going to, well, I think I have to get rid of the price range. No. I'm going to scroll all the way down. I have to go any price. All right, so a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home, 5-bedroom, is $1.6 million in Montclair, New Jersey. 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom condo, $400,000. 6-bedroom, $1.3 million. So you can see look at this one here, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. Here you go, $789,000 as opposed to $200, and that price was so much lower than this. But what was it, 280? But it was so much lower. So you can see the significant difference. But I want you to check this out too. The property taxes are going to be much, much higher in New Jersey. So this looks like it's a smaller house too. Look, the square footage. It's not giving me the square footage, but I want to show you something here. Go to property taxes. The property taxes on this house is $22,000 a year. $22,000. So you're talking property taxes alone is going to add. It's going to add $2,000 to your loan payment. Your monthly payment is $5,700 on a house like this, because it's $700 and something thousand, and the taxes are $22,000 a year. So based on your budget, based on what you can afford, you may need to search in other areas in the country. And again, this is all just for fun. We're playing around. We've given you an annual income. Have fun with this. Look around. Look all around the country. Look in the town that you live in first, and then search around. All right. Have a good time. I will see you all on the next video.